Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the keyboard shortcuts for select and cut. So what is a shortcut? So the keyboard shortcuts are like a combination of keys that allow you to do something that you would typically do with your mouse. That means now you don't have to use your mouse for doing the same thing. You can just use your keyboard by pressing one or two keys. So that is what a keyboard shortcut means. So this is how we are going to implement this video. We are going to use the Control A to select everything in the text, and we are going to use the Control X to cut everything in the text. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop and we have this rename.txt file. So if I open it and if I want to select everything in this text file, I have to just press the Control A. Now everything is selected. Now if I want to cut everything from this text file, I need to use the Control X, and now everything is gone. So and now if I want to save this file, if I cross it, it will ask me to save this file. Do you want to save the changes? Now the shortcut for saving this file is the Ctrl S. Now if you just press the Ctrl S and now click on cross, now it won't ask you for anything. So these are the shortcut for select all and cut and save. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered the keyboard shortcuts for select and cut and save using the keyboard shortcuts. So thank you for watching.